So let's take a practical example. How might traumatic experience in my life 30 years ago be affecting maybe my heart palpitations or my shortness of breath today? You broke up there. Please answer again.
Sure, let's say you experienced a traumatic event 30 years ago. Even though the event is long past, your nervous system might still be operating as if the threat is present. This chronic state of hypervigilance can manifest physically. For example, your body might hold tension patterns that keep your chest tight, your diaphragm restricted, and your heart rate elevated. This can lead to symptoms like heart palpitations or shortness of breath because your body remains in a low level fight or flight mode. The chronic tension around your chest and diaphragm can make it harder to take deep, calming breaths, and the heightened sympathetic tone can contribute to irregular heartbeats. Over time, these physical manifestations can become habitual, even if the original trauma is no longer consciously remembered or felt. The body essentially remembers the trauma through these physical patterns, which can continue to impact your health and well being. By working to release this stored tension and reconnect with your body through attuned practices, you can help alleviate these symptoms and restore a sense of balance.
How might this affect my ability to connect with my intimate partner or my children?
Chronic tension and a persistent state of hypervigilance can significantly impact your ability to connect with your intimate partner or children. When your nervous system is stuck in a state of heightened alertness, it can be harder to fully relax, be present, and engage in meaningful emotional exchanges. This can create a sense of emotional distance or make it challenging to respond with the level of empathy and attunement that nurturing relationships thrive on. It can also influence your capacity for co regulation, the way we help each other manage emotional states. If you're frequently in a state of tension or anxiety, it can be difficult to offer a calm, reassuring presence to those around you. This can affect how you relate to your loved ones, potentially leading to misunderstandings, increased conflict, or feelings of isolation. Addressing the root causes of this chronic tension and working towards a more regulated nervous system can open the door to deeper, more authentic connections with your partner and children, fostering a sense of safety and mutual support in your relationships.
If I've been under this state of traumatized sympathetic activation my entire life, how would I ever find my way to a normal nervous system if my nervous system has never known that?
It's absolutely possible to move toward a more regulated nervous system, even if you've been in a state of sympathetic activation for most of your life. The nervous system is remarkably adaptable and capable of change.
Continue.
As you work on releasing stored tension and reconnecting with your body, you can develop a greater capacity for presence and emotional availability. This can enhance your ability to respond to your loved ones with empathy, patience, and understanding. By fostering a sense of internal safety and regulation, you not only improve your own well being, but also create a more nurturing and supportive environment for your partner and children. This can lead to healthier, more fulfilling relationships built on mutual trust and emotional attunement.